Rah, rah, ray, ray, let's have some fun today. Woo-hoo-hoo! Go Chiefs, go Chiefs, go, go, go Chiefs, yay! Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. I know, you're probably looking at me with this hat on, saying, what a fool. She's crazy. Well, you're absolutely right. I've always told you, those that follow my channel, that I am a little cray-cray. But I wanted to do this video today just so we could have a little fun. We'll do a little gossip, and we'll do a little sweet treat with a hack, and we'll just have a good time. So I am dedicating this video to Taylor Swift. Here she is, in case you don't know who she is. But unless you're living under a rock, I'm pretty sure you do. And we're going to also dedicate it to Travis Kelce. Here he is. And he is the tight end from the Kansas City Chiefs. You should know him. He has won 2 Super Bowl rings. Now, the grapevine has it, and you know the grapevine. Well, you can't always believe the grapevine, but from what I see, she's attended, I think, 3 of his games. Sat in the box with his mom up there. They looked pretty chummy, and she was cheering away, and then they departed together after one of the games. So I don't know, sometimes the grapevine can be right. I'm going to dedicate this video to them, but also the Swifties. Hi, Swifties. And you must know who the Swifties are. In fact, I think Taylor even trademarked that name. And they are her die-hard fans. They just love, love, love Taylor. Well, so people are saying, well, you know, I don't know. I don't know if they're together or not. Well, you know what? I don't know. And I don't care. I think I like them both. I mean, Taylor is beautiful. She's so super talented. And she has money. Whoa! And Travis, he is very handsome. He's the tight end for the Kansas City Chiefs. And he has a tight end. Woo! He's handsome, talented, he has money too. So as far as I can see, they make a pretty good pair. So I say, good luck to the both of them. And if it works out, fine. But I think everybody should leave them alone. They're young, and they're having fun. And you know one thing I forgot to tell you. Did you know that Travis is a dancer? And you know, every time he makes a touchdown, he starts dancing on the field to one of Taylor's songs. I'll put a few pictures in to show you, but it's really funny. He does that shake, 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 shake it, shake it, shake, 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 shake. I never said I could sing, but anyway, he does dance and it's so cute. Now, on the other side of it, you have the die-hard football fans, mostly the men. And they're not too happy about the relationship. They feel that she's taking away all the attention she's getting, the two of them are getting, taken away from the football experience. Oh, pooh. Give me a break. The NFL has gotten so much publicity that they couldn't pay enough money to get all this publicity. Because, you can't even blame her and Travis. You have the news channels that are constantly focusing their camera to Travis, up in the box to Taylor, back and forth, back and forth. Well, it's not their fault. And then, this part I love, the men, a lot of them, and I guess women too, but mostly the men, they like to have their personal football experience. Maybe they'll go to the game with their buddies, or maybe they'll just sit and have a beer and watch TV. But now, because Taylor's involved, and her and Travis are, well, let's say, possibly dating, all the Swifties, now they want to watch the game. They want to go to the game. So what do you have? Now you have the Swifties, the young teens with their bowls of popcorn and their drinks, and even the wives all huddling around the dad or the hubby wanting to watch the game. Oh, I think that's so cute. What do you think? So you know what? Personally, like I said, I don't care if they're dating or not. I don't care if they end up together or not. That's their business. Now, growing up, my family wasn't a big sports family. They weren't a big sports family. So I didn't grow up into sports. But then my husband was a coach, and he was a sports fanatic. My son he loves sports. My son-in-law, and I have 4 grandsons, no granddaughters, except the dog. But I have 4 grandsons, and they all love sports. They play soccer, all of them. A couple of them play basketball. They play baseball. So I think I was outnumbered and defeated. So I had to learn, in order to support them, to get involved in watching sports. Anyway, since Taylor's tour, oh my God, what is it, her Eras tour? I mean, you can't see enough of them. If you're on social media, I don't care if it's TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, it doesn't matter. Every other video and story is about Taylor and Travis, Taylor and Travis, Taylor and Travis. You can't get away from it. So I thought, why don't I jump on the bandwagon? And I decided that I'm going to do something I don't think anybody else on YouTube has done. I'm going to make a sweet treat for them. And I'm going to dedicate it to them. It might be something simple to make, but there's a little hack involved that I want to show you how you can do it a lot easier. So you know what? Let me get my stuff ready and let me prepare to show you my sweet treat dedicated to the 2 sweethearts. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to make some sweet treats for the sweeties now. And yes, I did change my headgear. I mean, Taylor can change her outfits every 5 minutes, so I can change mine. And I can't operate with that big football on me, so I put little footballs on. But anyway, we're going to do chocolate dipped pretzels. And you're going to say, oh, Diva, those are so easy to make. Yes, they are. But I'm going to show you a little hack, an easy way to make them. Now, of course, I'm going to make some white ones and some red ones, the Kansas City Chiefs colors. So what I did is I happen to have used these Ghirardelli classic white chips, and I melted them in my microwave at 30-second intervals, and then I kept stirring until they got like this. I also have a bag of some red chips. You can do any color you want, but I thought it would be fun to do some red and some white. Now, normally, I'm going to use my pretzel rods here. I have my Snyder pretzel rods. Take a few of these out. Now, I've been making these forever, and I've made them for just about every occasion you could think of. And normally, I would take my chocolate, I'd put my pretzel in it, swirl it around, tap it, you know, whatever. It's time consuming, and I have a little hack that's easier. So I melted my chocolate in this measuring cup. Now I want to decorate these for the football. So I found this container in a local candy shop that has little bitty footballs on it. And then I found some sugar footballs just like this. And you know, you could probably go online and put in their sugar decorations or whatever, footballs, and you can probably get them online. But what I'm going to do, and I found this is an easy way to do it, melt your chocolate, put it in a measuring cup if you have one. Then it's easy. You don't have too much mess. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to pour it, not all of it, but a nice blob of it. Can you see what I'm doing here? Just like this on my parchment paper or my wax paper. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my pretzel stick. Can you see this? And I'm going to place it on there, like half of it. And I'm just going to twirl it. And there you have it. It's so much easier. Just put the blob of your melted chocolate on there and roll your pretzel in it. Now, if you're going to decorate it with anything, you have to do it while the chocolate is wet. So I have a few footballs here. I'm going to, I'll let it a little bit run off here because I just wanted to show you and I put a lot. And I'm going to just lay it down. I'm going to put a few footballs on here. You could do sprinkles. You could do red sprinkles for the Chiefs, whatever you want. I'm just going to stick a few on here just for fun. And that's about it. Now, I'll take another one, just lay it down there, give it a little twirl. Look how easy these are to do. Kids can do them. Let the chocolate drip off. And I have these little buckets that I found in the dollar store for $1.25. When they're all dry and hard, I'm going to stand them all up in here. They'll make a cute little display. I mean, I've made these for everything. I've made them for breast cancer. I've made them for the holidays, for Christmas. Put different color sprinkles on them. Everybody loves them. So I'm going to put that one down. I think I'll just take one of these big footballs and just maybe stick this one on the top. There you go. Anything you want. So that's how you do it. I'm going to continue doing the white ones, and then I'm going to melt some of the chocolate that's red. And I'm going to do the same thing with the red ones. So stay tuned. I'm going to melt the red, and then I'm going to show you what they look like when they're dry, and we're going to do a taste testing. Woo! Okay, I just melted some of the red chocolate. I'm going to pour it on here. I didn't use the whole bag. If you use the whole bag, like the 1 pound bag, you're going to get quite a few of these pretzels. So it depends on how many you want to make. And all you have to do is remember, melt it in the microwave at 30-second intervals. After each 30 seconds, take it out, stir it, and put it back in. Because once you burn your chocolate, it's done. You can't use it again. And make sure you don't get any water whatsoever in your chocolate because it will harden up and it will be a disaster. So this is supposed to be red chocolate, although maybe it'll darken a little bit when it hardens, because right now it looks like pink, but it's supposed to be red. And I'm putting some footballs and some little white sprinkles on there. Where's my football? Here. And when these are all dry, they're set, I'm going to display them, and I'm going to eat one, and oh yeah. So I certainly hope that you enjoyed this, and I hope that Taylor and Travis are enjoying these sweets I'm going to make for them. They're probably on 7th heaven right now. All right, let me put another big one on here. All right, so I'm just going to keep making these. See how easy they are to do? And yeah, maybe when the Super Bowl comes, depending on the teams that are playing, if you're into that, maybe you want to make some of these dipped pretzels in the color of the teams. Put them out for Super Bowl Sunday for a little treat. Alrighty. So stay tuned for our taste testing. Woohoo! Well, here's all of our Taylor and Travis football Kansas City Chiefs pretzels. They're red and white and they have footballs on them. Letting them set, and then in a minute I'll be back and we're going to do a taste testing. Woohoo! So stay tuned. Well, the pretzels are all set, and what I'm doing now is I'm placing them in these little buckets that I got from Dollar Tree. They look so cute in here. So I'll put a picture in for you when I'm done. Yeah, we got the Kansas City Chiefs. Gee, maybe I have 2 buckets. Maybe I should put Taylor on one and Travis on the other. So anyway, I'm going to do a taste testing now. Let me see, which one do I want to taste? All right, let me give this one a bite. Ready? And you can also make them in the milk chocolate or the dark chocolate if you like. But, you know, I wanted to stay with the color theme. Very good. And you know, the red chocolate doesn't taste like strawberry or cherry. The colored chocolate still tastes like the white chocolate. And so I hope you enjoyed this. I mean, I always say you can bake and have fun too, right? So the holidays are coming and I have tons more fun recipes to show you. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit the red subscribe and the little bell, and you'll get a notification and you won't miss anything. So anyway, what do I have to say? Good luck to Taylor and Travis, whatever happens with them. We all deserve to be happy, right? And I think my family's going to enjoy these pretzels and make them. I know you will too. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Love you all. And I'll see you soon. Toodles! Woo! Where's my pom-pom?